Bankrupt crypto broker Voyager, try saying that 6 times fast, has gone on a big selling spree over the month of February. In fact, they've probably been a very key contributor to the sell-off that we saw over the course of the month. Now, if you guys don't remember, Voyager actually halted all trading back in July of 2022 and filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. In fact, it did agree to sell itself to Binance, but the problem is that there was actually pushback from federal and state regulators, so this acquisition actually got held up. In the meantime, Voyager has actually turned around and gone on this selling spree. And in fact, they've sold $121 million in assets over the course of just the month of February. In fact, it is actually ramped up as the month has gone on, the largest chunk of it being sold over the last week. And in fact, that chunk equates to $54 million. Now, this actually is made up of a few different things. It was actually $24.7 million of Ether, $12.2 million worth of Shiba Inu, and $2.5 million worth of Link, in case you guys were wondering why some of these coins have had some pullbacks. Now, what they've done is they've actually moved this to Coinbase and Binance, and it was likely to sell the tokens. And it's really hard to track what is being done, with these assets once they move to these exchanges. However, during this time, Voyager actually received $150 million of USDC over the last 4 days, likely from the proceeds of these sales. Now, what is worth noting is that this only equates to about $100 million worth of the $630 million of total assets that are held by Voyager on chain. What this likely means is that we could see a little bit more of a sell-off. We could see some more downward pressure as Voyager continues to liquidate its assets. Now, here's the makeup of what they still hold. They actually hold $271 million worth of ETH, $77 million worth of Shiba Inu, $63 million worth of their own VGX token. They also hold $13 million of Link, $5.5 million of Phantoms, FTM, and $5 million of Bored Apes Ape token. Now, again, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if this is going to stop. And we don't know, honestly, if Binance will be able to acquire the assets that Voyager has. This is all the unknown. But the point here on the ClearCryptos channel is obviously to keep you updated and informed, because in that way you can obviously stay educated in the crypto space. But we appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully there's more upside to come once they're done selling and we start to move towards the bull market. Appreciate you guys as always. As always, this is not financial advice like it says below, but definitely show your support here for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we hope to see you in the next one. Take care.